12 Effective Health Benefits of Chromolaena Odorata.
For most of people, perhaps including you, will not be familiar with the name of this leaves. Different than when you see other leaves such as sanka or mango. Moreover, there are many other names for this leaves aside from Chromolaena odorata. This plant is actually one of the weeds plants or parasites that comes from the Asteraceae family. As for the characteristics of the leaves, they comes in the shape of oval and jagged on the edges. Not only that, the leaves have a rather rough texture, different than the other types of leaves. The leaves will have flowers at first and will bloom flowers on every summer season. Usually, Chromolaena odorata can be found on the height from 1,000 to 2,800 above the sea level. But it is a different case in Indonesia. In Indonesia, Chromolaena odorata is opposite, can be found in lowland about 500 above the sea. The plenty of sunlight will contribute to the fast growth of this plant, therefore, the plant will be most likely slow to grow when it doesn't get enough light. However, the fast growth of this plant can potentially damage cultivation plants and cost the farmers. With the last fact being said, it is no surprise that the Chromolaena odorata plants usually gets thrown away. But not much people know that the Chromolaena odorata can actually contribute some benefits in the farming sphere. As of the details about the nutrition in the Chromolaena odorata leaves are nutrition content in Chromolaena odorata leaves: phenol, alkaloids, triterpenoid, tannin, flavonoid, lignin. With the nutrition contents as mentioned above, the Chromolaena odorata then can give benefits to not only farming, but also the body's health. Usually, Chromolaena odorata is also used a lot as traditional herb medicines. This has been practiced since a long time ago, where people only knew physicians and nurses. Because it is very effective to cure many types of disease, the people from back in the day used to plant and grow these leaves a lot. Here are the health benefits of Chromolaena odorata leaves. Benefits of Chromolaena odorata leaves. However, as the time goes by, people began to know chemical medicines and doctors. The Chromolaena odorata then started to get abandoned and considered as weeds plants. For those of you who wonders what are actually the benefits of Chromolaena odorata, below we will give the full explanations of them. 1. Cyst medicine. There are many health benefits of Chromolaena odorata leaves. The Chromolaena odorata is very useful for those of you who wants to heal cysts effectively. 2. Pain reliever. Taking half-glass cup in the morning and evening for a week will definitely deliver anyone from body or back pain. 3. Prevent cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is one of the diseases that is very dangerous for women. To prevent yourself from developing the disease, you can drink the Chromolaena odorata tea. 4. Maintain the health of reproduction organ on women. The health of reproduction organs is one of the very important thing that needs to be aware of. To maintain the health of it, you can drink the Chromolaena odorata brewed water. 5. Prevent diabetes. Not only to maintain the health of reproduction organ of women, the Chromolaena odorata leaves can also prevent diabetes. 6. Vertigo medicine. Vertigo is one of the diseases that cannot be underestimated. This disease can not only send you to hospital, but can also cause death. You can cure the disease by drinking the Chromolaena odorata brewed water when your Chromolaena odorata is relapsing. 7. Ulcer medicine. Not only that it can help when your ulcer is relapsing, it is also believed to be able to cure your ulcer if consumed routinely. 8. Maintain the heart's health. It is important for us to maintain the health of our heart to make sure it can always work well. To avoid the diseases that are related to heart, you can consume the Chromolaena odorata leaves. 9. Decrease the cholesterol level. For those of you who wants to decrease the cholesterol level in your body, you can drink the Chromolaena odorata brewed water when your cholesterol level is increasing, or when you just consumed seafood. 10. Uric acid medicine. The Chromolaena odorata can also be used as the medicine for Chromolaena odorata. 11. Decrease the blood pressure. Not only that it can decrease the cholesterol level, the Chromolaena odorata leaves are also capable to decrease your blood pressure. This is especially useful for those of you who have hypertension. 12. Maintain the stomach's health. The nutrition contents in Chromolaena odorata leaves are very good for those of you who suffer stomach-related diseases or nuisances. This plant can be used as an organic fertilizer, biopesticide, and traditional medicine. These benefits of Chromolaena odorata exists because of the nutrients and substances inside the plant itself. So, there are many health benefits of Chromolaena odorata leaves, though it may be hard to find in your country. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends and family.